Okay, here we are on A13. This is the mage timeline for Wyvern Phase 1. Nothing too complicated here, just standard mage stuff. Be quick on your Kyoka cancels and make sure your Ilya doesn't die. That's basically it. So we're going to have to do a Phantom Hammer here because our Ilya has crit herself a couple times. If she doesn't crit, you can just spam and then you'll get the UB at the same time, it's fine. Boss will now UB at 58 seconds. And once it does that, we want to spam Ilya straight away. There we go. Next up is going to be Anne, when she does her Princess Calling buff at 52 seconds. As soon as she opens her eyes, we can UB, and there it is. Now after this, we have Summer Kiaru, which will be as soon as Kyoka's attack goes past Ilya's head, there it is, and then we cancel Spiral Wave. Demonic Salvation will hit from Anna, and that's when we UB with Kyoka to immediately cancel her buff. We have about 10 frames between both of Kyoka's UBs to get the last Iceland, so it's very important to be quick. Speaking of being quick, with Ilya we have her Claw cancel here at 44. Again, you can spam that if you didn't take enough self-damage up to that point. Standard sort of Ilya mage stuff at this point, nothing too special. Okay, Ilya Hammer again. Phantom that in case we die. And then we have Anne's auto at 25. That hits. We UB, nice 111k crit. Followed by 192k crit from Kyoka. Never to be outdone. Alright, Ilya then auto attacks. And then if you watch the tip of Summer Kiaru's staff, just Spiral Wave, the water will start to form, and that is when we UB. To cancel that as soon as possible, like I said before, you have about 10 frames between both to get it. Boss now UBs, and next up we have Aqua Bullet Plus. That hits, and now UB. Damage looking fine so far. Ilya will now do Claw. Bit early on that. Anna hits Demonic Salvation, we UB. Good time to pause, check damage, make sure you kill the boss, and get the full refund. If you do, happy days. We were definitely quick enough this time to get the Kyoka Ice Lance at the end. So our damage should potentially be anywhere between sort of 5.37 to 5.48 if it crits. So let's see. Yep, it lands and we crit. Perfect. And that's the timeline. So like I said, nothing too difficult for the most part. Just the main point is to make sure you're quick on those Kyoka UBs at 49 and 15 respectively. Okay, good luck.